Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time on OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, you will need to download and install OBS Studio on your computer, and after that open a browser and you have to create a account on Restream.io. So open Restream.io and sign up using your Gmail here. And now after creating an account here, you will jump into this page. Now click on setup for OBS, Zoom, etc. and click on add channel, and now select Twitch and click on authorize. It may ask you to log in into your Twitch account, and now click on authorize. Okay, here you can see I've successfully added my Twitch account here, and now I'm clicking on add channel again, and now I'm selecting YouTube and I'm selecting channel and I'm selecting my YouTube channel here. So after adding here your YouTube channel and Twitch, open your OBS and click on settings, click on stream and click on service, and from here select Restream.io and click on connect account and select your login and enter here your Restream account email address and password, and click on login and click on allow. Click on apply and click on OK. And now as you can see, I've successfully connected my Restream account here. So here we can see stream information, we can add title and description here, and here we can see Restream channel showing up here, and also here you can see the chat section. Okay, now add here your scene and click on this plus icon for sources, and you can select any option from here. I'm going to selecting display capture. Okay, and now all you have to need, just click on start streaming, and here you can see I've successfully started streaming to my YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So if I open my Restream here you can see right now I'm in live in my YouTube and Twitch account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.